Alright, so last night I noticed, because as you can see this smoke detector has a green light now, and it did in the past. Well, I guess if you take it apart, there's like a thing behind it, and it was disconnected to the thing, and so the green light wasn't on. The green light, if you're wondering, means it's hardwired. And if you notice when I did that smoke detector video, testing all of them, it didn't have the green light, and when it went off it didn't do anything. Well, I connected it back, and I'm going to do the test again and see how that works. Because it's got the green light, it should set off at least all of them. Not the ones I added, but just all the 5 original to the house. So I'm gonna do a test with this, and then I'm thinking about doing the smoke spray also to see how that works. So here we go. Nope, it's still not working. You can hear it setting off the other ones. So that's how it's interesting. This one probably went off. I don't know if this one went off or not. It's got the green light. And this one might have went off too, but I don't know. It's got the green light also. I got this one fixed, but it's hard to see because it's really bright here. But I'm gonna try to set this off, see if this does anything. But as you can see, even though I got that basement one hardwired, it still doesn't work. You can kind of see the green light. I'm gonna try this. This one I'm gonna try now. Just give me 1 sec. Let me get the chair. These smoke detectors suck. I'm just gonna be honest. They're so stupid. So I wanted to replace them all, but I don't know how. I'm gonna try this one now. Setting off that one. This one's not doing anything. It's just so stupid. So, yeah. They're just so stupid. So now what I'm gonna try to do is the smoke spray. And it's gonna be pointless if they only make that sound, or don't even make any sound. But I'm gonna do it anyways. And then I'll try the new ones I added. And that one, I don't know if he'll reach up there. I'm not gonna climb all the way up there and get that one. So, it's a shame to have stupid smoke detectors like this. Trust me, I want to replace them all to Nest smoke detectors, or at least some kind of smoke detector, but I don't know if I should. Give me 1 second. Alright. I guess I'll just do this one first to see what happens. It should be doing something. This is so crazy. Well, I'm gonna try a different one. I'm gonna try this one. I just hope it doesn't set off the one next to it right there, but I'm gonna try this one. Don't know what it will do. My arms tired, switched arms. Let me try this one again. Maybe I have to spray a lot, I don't know. There it goes. Should be setting off all of them, that's the thing. That's what the green light means. That one, I don't know if it's hardwired. I tried hardwiring it last night and it started going off. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, got that one on. There goes the other one. Yeah, that one, sorry. The thing and if you remember before, and I don't know, it's just something about the button in there. I feel like if it's a certain way, it just doesn't, if it's pushed in a certain way, it doesn't beep right. So I'm gonna try pushing it. So I pushed it in so you see how it beeps. So maybe now it'll beep right. Now I'm gonna try this one again. See if that does anything. Oh, now it's going off. Now it's setting off this one and it stopped. This one's not doing anything. This one's barely beeping. There we go. Alright, that's enough. Ooh, that's loud. And I just have to tap them a certain way and then they go off. So, that one, I don't know. My ears are pierced. So, I'm gonna tap this one. Hopefully, see, it's hardwired. The light was off, now it's on. So, whew. Alright. Now I'm gonna do a test with these ones with the smoke spray. I don't know how long, these ones aren't hardwired. So, see what that does. one's done. So now that one works. Now I'm gonna try the ones I added over here. And just so you know, I don't want to test the next one because that one is special and it will give you an alert to the phone and do all this other stuff. And if you, well, I'll do that one. I'll do the one here first. It'll do all this stuff, and my dad's not home right now, so I don't want him to think that a house is on fire or something, because it will let his phone know. And it'll let my phone know. See if that goes off. It should do it now. Switching arms again. All right, let me try again. All right. What about now? Let's see now. Okay, let's try now. Sorry about this. There we go. So if you were to go over here, well, it stopped, but you can kind of hear it. I had another one I was gonna add over there, but yeah, there's that one. Now I'm gonna do this one that I added. I really wish they were hardwired, but there's no way to do that. Oh my gosh. I saw this video. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the name, because I don't know if it has to do with copyright or not, but he's an awesome YouTuber, and I saw this video of him testing, and I'm trying to remember, it was like something, these type of, and I forgot what they were called, but there's these smoke detectors that linked to each other. They didn't have to be hooked up in any wires. They linked to each other, and that's really good. That's how they all should be, because they link to each other, I think through Wi-Fi, and I don't know for sure, but ooh, I would love those. I would get some for here and from my mom's house. Really good ones. I don't know if they hook up to the phone or not, but sometime I'm gonna see what I can do to get those. I don't know for sure. I'll have to get more information on it, but all right, here's this one. It should go off, hopefully. There we go. Alrighty. So those are those. And I am going to do that other one in my room now. I just wanted to save that one for later, if you will. And then I'm gonna shut the doors. Hopefully our neighbors aren't worried. I don't know if they can hear smoke detectors from their house or not. Hopefully they can't. Not like it's like early. But I'm going to do, see where else is it? There's the next one, and I want to do that one, but I'm not going to, because I already did that. So now I'm going to do this one. Make sure that one works. Even though this one doesn't. There it is. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that's all of them. Except for that one. I don't know if so I'm going to tell you a story. Last night, this was like 12 o'clock. It was a Saturday night, but my dad was sleeping. I went up there. I got a step stool, did a pull up, got myself all the way up there. If you don't know, there's like a ledge up there above the pantry and above the laundry room, kind of. And that red beanbag thing, I put it here so when I jump down from there, I don't get hurt, right? So I could land on that. So I got up there and I took that thing off, because that's what I did with the one in the basement and that one right there and the one in my room. That's why the green light is on, is because, well, the green light's off now. Let me see if I can, well, maybe it is on, I don't know, yeah, it's on. But it wasn't, the one in my room and the one in the basement wasn't on before, because the thing behind it wasn't connected to the wires. And I thought it was, but it wasn't. So that one wasn't, so I tried to connect that one to the wires. Well, when I got it connected to the wires, it started beeping super loud. And my dad was sleeping. I felt bad. So I was panicking. I was like trying to hold it up to my chest or put it in my shirt so it wouldn't beep so loud. Then it stopped. And I did it again, hooked it up again, did it again. So I was like, you know what? I'm not doing this at 12 o'clock at night. So I put it back on the thing. So that's why it's not hardwired, because I couldn't get it to do it. And it's hard to go all the way up there and sit up there, especially at 12 o'clock at night. I don't have a chance to do it. And I don't want to mess with it. And now that I've noticed, even though I got, you know, I thought maybe after I get these ones hooked up to the ceiling, I thought maybe they'd beep right, but no. So, yeah. That's what sucks. I'm gonna try something, because I remember trying to hardwire those ones that I added, like the one that's in my room right now, right there, that one, right there. My original plan was to put that there and replace all the other ones, but I don't know, I couldn't figure it out. So I'm gonna try that again, because now I think I can do it. And if I do that, they'll hopefully all work, and it won't be these ones that are trash. I'm gonna see what I can do, and to replace that one is gonna suck, but I'm gonna try. So that's pretty much all. I hope you all enjoyed.